So guys, here's something else I found super interesting. In California, people are calling the police on their neighbors or on people that they see sneezing or coughing. And then what's happening is the police are actually coming to the house or the fire department, and they're making people go to the hospital to get tested. So if you call the police on your neighbor, which is happening, the police then come to the house, or they send the fire department to the house. The fire department is then taking some of these people or forcing them to go take a test to see if they are infected. That is unbelievable. So if you, don't like your neighbor, call the cops on them. Say that they're coughing loudly, or you see that they don't look good, and then they'll come and they will knock on their door, and in a couple of cases force them to take a test. Now, the scary thing about these articles is they are forcing people to take a test. So are they going to force people to get a vaccination? Are they going to drag people from their houses and put them in a quarantine? They're already coming to the house when somebody reports them that they're coughing, and they're forcing them to take a test. What the article is stating is, what's the next step? That's why it's very important that people wake up, or people get it together, because this will only go in one direction, and that is worse. And that's really it. You really have to think about what's happening, why it's happening, how it's happening, and make a plan, put something together. Anyway, I thought I'd share that. That is scary. Not only interesting, that's scary that your neighbor can call up anonymously. Anybody can call up anonymously and say they heard you coughing, and the police will come, or the fire department, or some health official will come and force you to take a test. Think about that. That's it. All right. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to you guys soon. God bless you.